Only dude here, up in Michigan, visiting my mom and stepdad by myself. Family all stayed home. They had work and other jobs to do, so decided to come up because I haven't been here in a little while and visit. Today I'm out just trying to help out getting some things burned up, the leaves moved around, and just be as much of a help to them as I possibly can for the short time I'm here. So they had a mattress that they needed to get rid of, and I brought that out here and they wanted to burn it. So we just got done burning that. Now it's just a big old pile of metal. Let the Amish maybe come and clean that up once this all cools off. I got some cardboard I'm just throwing on here now to finish burning it off. And I moved all these leaves out of the way over there and all the way over there to get them cleared out so none of this stuff would catch on fire. But the mattress went up pretty quick. Once it definitely got oxygen, it went up quick. Beautiful out here. All the leaves are pretty much fallen. There's just tons and tons of trees around here. They just got done doing all the lots over there. I don't know if you heard that gun go off. Here in Michigan, gun season had started today, I believe. So there are guys out there shooting their deer. But they cleaned all that up, and now we've got all the leaves here that need to be done. But I think the Amish boys are going to come out and do that for them. When we were here a couple years ago, we blew it all up in that area up there where the flamingo is and just burned it there. I think I'll probably get the drone out here in a little bit and fly. It's a tiny bit breezy, but not enough to bother it. I've done drone video before when I was out here, but it was springtime. Now it's fall and you're able to see a little bit more on the lake. The lily pads and all that stuff are going away, and it's just, I like to see what it looks like during the fall when the leaves are gone. So I think I'll do that. I'll go grab the drone and send it up in the air. for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the like button so that I know that you like it, and let me know if you want more content like this. Also, hit the bell icon. That way you're notified of new content as I upload it.